Welcome to the game of wealth. It's a mindset where strategy, hard work, and smart decisions lead you to success. Get ready, because only those who think big will win. In today's digital world, Facebook and Instagram ads have become powerful tools for growing e-commerce businesses in India. Whether you're a small startup or a large brand, Meta ads can help you reach your ideal customers, increase sales, and scale your business faster. In this video, we'll break down the process of running successful Facebook and Instagram ads for Indian e-commerce in 10 simple steps. Let's get started. Part 1. Setting up your Meta Business Suite. Understanding fees and taxes is crucial for maximizing your investment returns, as both can significantly erode your gains over time if not properly managed. Every dollar lost to fees or taxes is a dollar that isn't compounding and contributing to your long-term growth. So it's essential to be aware of these costs and take steps to minimize them wherever possible. Investment fees come in various forms, including brokerage fees, account maintenance fees, trading commissions, and mutual fund expense ratios. While many online brokers now offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, other fees may still apply, such as management fees for retirement accounts or advisory services. When investing in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs), it's important to pay attention to the expense ratio. Part 2. Understanding your target audience. Understanding your target audience is a fundamental step in creating successful and profitable Facebook ads. To craft messages that resonate and drive conversions, you must have a clear and detailed picture of who your ideal customers are. Utilizing tools like Facebook Audience Insights can provide valuable data about your audience's demographics, interests, behaviors, and purchasing habits. This tool allows you to analyze metrics such as age, gender, location, education level, relationship status, and even the devices your audience uses to access Facebook. By diving deeper into interests and behavioral data, you can identify what content appeals to them, what brands they engage with. Part 3. Choosing the right ad objective. Choosing the right ad objective is a critical step when setting up your campaigns in Meta Ads Manager, as it directly influences how Facebook's algorithm optimizes your ads and who ultimately sees them. Meta Ads Manager offers a variety of objectives tailored to different marketing goals, including traffic, engagement, leads, conversions, sales, app installs, and awareness. Selecting the most appropriate objective ensures that Facebook's powerful machine learning algorithms work to deliver your ads to users most likely to take the desired action. For e-commerce businesses, the most effective objectives are typically conversions and sales, as these focus specifically on driving purchases rather than merely attracting likes, comments, or shares. The conversions objective is ideal for encouraging actions such as adding products to a cart, initiating checkout, or completing a purchase, while the sales objective is more directly geared towards maximizing revenue by targeting high-intent buyers. Part 4. Setting up Facebook Pixel and Conversion API. Setting up the Facebook Pixel and Conversion API is a crucial step for accurately tracking user interactions on your website and optimizing your ads for maximum performance. The Facebook Pixel is a piece of code that you place on your website to collect valuable data about visitor actions such as page views, product views, add to cart events, and completed purchases. By monitoring these interactions, the Pixel allows you to track conversions, measure the effectiveness of your ads, and build targeted audiences for future campaigns. However, with increasing privacy concerns and changes in data tracking policies, such as Apple's iOS 14.5 update limiting third-party tracking, it's more important than ever to implement the Conversion API alongside the Pixel. Part 5. Creating high-converting ad creatives. Creating high-converting ad creatives is a fundamental aspect of running successful Facebook ad campaigns, especially in the highly competitive e-commerce space. Your ad creatives, whether images, videos, carousels, or slideshows, are the first thing potential customers notice, making them critical to capturing attention, generating interest, and driving conversions. High-quality visuals paired with compelling copy and clear call to action (CTA) buttons are essential for guiding users towards completing a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for an offer. For e-commerce businesses targeting the Indian market, it's particularly important to consider the diverse cultural and linguistic landscape. Creating region-specific creatives that incorporate local languages, festivals, customs, and even regional fashion trends can significantly boost engagement and conversion rates. Part 6. Writing effective ad copy. Writing effective ad copy is a crucial element of successful Facebook advertising, as it plays a significant role in grabbing attention, sparking interest, and driving conversions. Crafting persuasive, concise, and action-driven copy is essential to communicate your message clearly and motivate your audience to take the desired action. 7. Effective ad copy should immediately address your audience's pain points or desires, highlight key benefits, and present a compelling offer that makes your product or service hard to resist. For e-commerce businesses, this often means emphasizing aspects like quality, affordability, convenience, or exclusivity. Using powerful, benefit-focused language is essential rather than simply describing a product. Demonstrate how it improves the user's life. For instance, instead of saying, "Our headphones have noise cancellation." Part 7. Choosing the right audience targeting strategy. Choosing the right audience targeting strategy is essential for ensuring your ads reach the most relevant users who are likely to convert. Facebook's powerful targeting options allow you to refine your audience based on various factors, including demographics, interests, behaviors, location, and past interactions with your business. One of the most effective targeting strategies is interest-based targeting, which allows you to reach users who have shown interest in topics related to your products or services. By identifying relevant interests such as fashion, fitness, travel, technology, or specific brands your audience follows, you can narrow down your targeting to those who are more likely to engage with your ads. Another highly effective strategy is lookalike audiences, which leverages Facebook's advanced algorithm to find new users who resemble your existing customers. Part 8. Budgeting and bidding strategy. Establishing a proper budgeting and bidding strategy is a vital component of successful Facebook advertising, especially when you're looking to achieve consistent results while maximizing your return on investment (ROI). Setting a realistic budget depends on your specific goals, whether it's driving traffic, generating leads, or making direct sales. For beginners or businesses testing new campaigns, starting with a daily budget of $1,000 to $1,000 is a sensible approach that allows you to gather valuable data without risking excessive spending. As your campaigns begin to show positive results and you identify high-performing audiences and creatives, you can gradually scale your budget to amplify your reach and increase conversions. Facebook offers two primary bidding strategies: automatic bidding and manual bidding. For most advertisers, especially beginners, automatic bidding is the recommended choice because it leverages Facebook's sophisticated algorithm to optimize your bids for the best possible results within your budget. Part 9. Analyzing and optimizing your ads. Analyzing and optimizing your ads is a continuous process that plays a crucial role in ensuring your Facebook ad campaigns remain profitable and effective over time. Regularly monitoring your ad performance through Meta Ads Manager is essential to understanding what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your return on investment (ROI). Key metrics to track include click-through rate (CTR), return on ad spend (ROAS), cost per click (CPC), conversion rate, cost per conversion, and frequency. A high CTR indicates that your ad creatives and messaging are resonating well with your audience. Part 10. Scaling your ads for maximum profit. Once you find winning ads, increase your budget gradually, test new audiences, and expand to different placements like Facebook Stories, Instagram Reels, and Audience Network. Scaling properly ensures long-term profitability. Running successful Facebook and Instagram ads for Indian e-commerce requires the right strategy, patience, and continuous optimization. Follow these 10 steps, key testing, and you'll see great results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information on digital marketing and e-commerce growth.